Here we come to the elevators at the Richardson Petroleum Engineering Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Dover Trafomatic 3 from 1988. This is a take with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh, we got the service elevator. We'll take a ride on this one first. Ten. Oh, and there goes the bell. What floor?
Number 5.
Yeah, we're filming an elevator video right now.
Oh, the ghost floor?
No, I just like a video recording elevators as a hobby,
Okay.
as these are an older one from the 80s.
Yeah. So a note, if you push 1, it'll stop at 2 also.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so when you push 1, it's gonna stop at 2.
All right, let's see if the bell is not lit because I want to ring it. All right, Sam, go ahead and hit a random floor button.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't chime. I was gonna go to the basement first because I usually start my video usually I start my video going down to the basement and going to the topmost floor and coming back down to where I started.
Oh, there's the bell.
Oh, I love that chime. I gotta sample it.
Oh, yep. Just as he said. Here we go. If we hit 1, it goes to 2. It stops at 2 as well.
Yeah, I wonder why it does that. We're gonna switch on 10. Anyways, these are your Dover impulse fixtures. I'm sure you've seen a lot of those. I'm sure you've seen a lot of Dover impulse elevators. I'm sure you've seen a lot of Dover impulse elevators.
Yeah, maybe, but I've never taken notice.
These burned out. Hold on a sec here. Okay, hit 10 for me, please. Oh, the indicator doesn't work anymore. I'll get a full detail cab view. It's a hospital-sized elevator.
Oh, well.
All right, push the floor button again, see if it works.
Okay.
No, I got it.
Oh, nice.
I got it to work. It just takes a bit of time.
You want to switch, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now can you stay silent because I wanted to capture the chime on this.
Gotcha.
No chime. All right, here's the other elevator right here. This is similar like the other one.
It's a little more dim.
A little bit dark too.
Yeah.
Oh, the indicator is burned out on this one. I think if you actually push the call button, it might work.
Oh.
Your floor? the indicator's burnt out. There's a few of the fixtures. I'm going to show the Dover label when I get to the top. If you see right here,
Oh, there you go.
it's your Dover label. All right, I'm going to send this down and we'll get the elevator car on the far left, hopefully. Adams replacement Dover traditional call button. Unfortunately, it looks like the elevator car on the far left does not work. Stuck on 7, but anyways. Look at one last cavity, it's quite tall. Here's Sam.
Hello.
The chime is so quiet. And here we are at 1. And look at this beautiful display right here. All right, there it goes, and that's it.